Hey, what's up, YouTube land? I really want to get into YouTube, and I'm an introvert and I don't really like the camera like that, but I like the arts of it, if that make any sense. So I had something planned to talk about today, but I was like not comfortable with the video, keep having to redo it, and it really is not really authentic. It's not me. So I guess I have to randomly just straight shoot it out there. Okay, so I'm talking about being an introvert and trying to do this, basically, you know, trying to sell online. Trying to like be in front of the camera. Maybe you want to do auctions, maybe you want to do videos, maybe you want to do a lot of things that's pertaining to the camera or the arts, but you're shy, you're an introvert. The biggest thing that broke me out, I'm an introvert, but also I am a extrovert. I'm extroverted a little bit too, and the reason why I'm extroverted because my jobs was in management and dealing with customers. So when I was on a job, I always have to do my job, and I do my job correctly. I smile, I talk to people, I'm real friendly, and that broke me out of my shell. But off the clock, I just like really be too shy to talk to anybody, too shy to make a video, too shy to do a lot of things that's pertaining to camera. And I always want to get into it because I like to act. I wrote a book. I'm a writer, and I'm writing another book right now. Check the link in the bio because it's in there somewhere. But one thing I did to try to, well, first thing first, to get out of this introvert, if you really want to change, well, you can never get out of being an introvert. That's who you are, period. But if you want to get in front of the camera, the first thing I would suggest you to do is learn about the things that you want to do. Like go on YouTube and type in how to get out, how to be an introvert and be in front of the camera. You know, and they bring a whole bunch of things up that you can learn about. Now, that's one thing I do with almost everything I want to know. And it helps me so much, even in my business. It helped me so much. By YouTube, it's just been it's worth $1 million. It's worth a lot, period. That's why I invest in Google, because YouTube was a game changer for me. The next thing I did, I tried to seek out, because my friend was telling me about an organization called Toastmasters International. I went to Toastmasters and I joined. It's really good, and I was so happy that it was online. So because I have a lot of stuff to do around here with my business, with school, with everything, so it was online, and we had to do presentations via Zoom. So I learned a lot from them. They taught me a lot about, you know, just, you should have to go and see. You can go to I'm gonna try to put the link in the bio or in the description, but you can go to the thing and see and watch how it go down. But it helps you with public speaking a lot. You get in front, you can speak every week if you want. If you don't want to speak, if you just want to watch other people, you can do that also. So they helped me a lot with little bits of everything. And then the next thing I realized too, which it was a surprise, it was God that just led me down that path. I don't know why I was doing it. I don't know what I was just, you know, but TikTok or lives. On TikTok, I was just doing, I was like, hey, whatever, it's just fun and games and just doing it. But I realized that I was getting out of my shell from being introvert, because it's like I'm doing it and I feel like nobody's there. Like I'm doing it in front of the camera, but nobody's watching. So as you get to do it more and more, and you accumulate followers and stuff like that, and they start interacting with you, it start loosening me up. So that's why I'm at a point right now that I'm doing this video, because if it wasn't for those things, I don't know, I would still be in my shell and scared to talk. I mean, the fear, I think, with me, and I don't know about you, but the fear, I think, with me of being an introvert is because I feel like I'm not articulating myself properly for people to understand what I'm trying to say. Because you ever like explain yourself to people and they just feel like, it's like, I feel like they not getting it. If that makes sense. And when I speak in public in front of a lot of people, that still come back to me. I feel like people is not getting it, and I'm not articulating myself right. But I had a public speaking class in college, and my teacher said I did quite fine. Every time I speak, people say I do quite fine, but myself, I'm just so hard on myself about it. So what I would like to encourage you to do is, you can either join a group, a supportive group, something like Toastmasters, or get on live. Start getting on live and not concentrate on the people. Just get on live and just start doing your thing, or go to TikTok. TikTok is an excellent, I think, platform, because you're not really interacting, you're just making videos and shooting it out there. And one other thing I do, so I won't delete the videos, because you know, we all self-conscious about ourselves. I don't even watch the videos. I think I just get better and better as you go. As you make more and more videos and start interacting, you just get better and better. So don't even watch the videos. If you self-conscious and you know in your heart and you know yourself, just shoot it out there. And it's a guy on YouTube that always say your first 100 videos, and he's a real good YouTuber to learn from. And he was like, if you ain't got it by video 50, it may be not for you, but by 100, he's call it the 100 messy videos, but by 100 you should be a pro at it. So y'all other introverts or shy people, guess what? It is hope out there. Just go do it. Go learn. Learning is fundamental for real. So please, if you like this video, like, subscribe to my channel. I will be putting up more and more videos because I'm trying to get better and better at this. And please leave me a comment. Tell me how I did. If you got some feedback you want to give me to help me out with my videos, please do. I am open to the feedback. So y'all have a blessed day, and I am out. Bye.